1953, Edward Bauer and Robert Mayer started a company called Doran Manufacturing. They named it after their wives, Dorothy and Ann. We now have moved to the next chapter, the next phase of our company, locating to a new fantastic facility in the amazing area of Blue Ash, Ohio. I am so proud of my team to be able to host this open house literally 69 days to the date that the state of Ohio recognized Doran for the first time. It was an absolute sprint, and the people on this team who aren't wearing the blue shirts, who are our service providers, you also are part of this. So I want to thank you as well for coming. From the bottom of my heart, thank you to everybody for taking time to come out.